Welcome to one more session of maths. We are in chapter number 6 and reading for the theorem number 6.1. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Look at it. Line AB and line CD intersect each other at O. So two pair of vertically opposite angles are formed. Angle AOC and BOD, these two pair, this one and this one, and angle AOD and angle BOC is the other pair. So both angles in both the pairs are equal. So we need to prove that angle AOC is equal to BOD and angle AOD is equal to BOC. So we'll write it. Given is lines AB and CD intersect each other at O, and two pairs of vertically opposite angles are formed, namely one is angle AOC and angle AOC and angle BOD, and the second pair is angle AOD and angle BOC. And what we need to prove that? We need to prove that both these pairs are equal, means angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Okay, so we'll start with the proof here. Now my friends, let us see. As a linear pair of angles, these are two linear pair of angles. So if ray BD stands on line AB, then the two angles formed by this common arm is ABD and DBC. So angle ABD plus angle DBC is equal to 180. Okay. Similarly, we can see that line OA, so ray OA stands on line CD, and therefore angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180. It's a linear pair axiom. Okay, by linear pair axiom. Okay, so it's angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180. Similarly, you can see that ray OD stands on line AB. Okay, so we can write that ray OD stands on line AB. Okay, similarly my friends, you can see that ray OD stands on line AB. So these two angles formed AOD and BOC. are linear pairs of angles. So angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180. Once again, it's a linear pair axiom. As per linear pair axiom, angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180. Now this is result number 1, this is result number 2, and from 1 and 2, both are equal to 180. So left hand side of both the equation will be same. Okay, दोनों रिजल्ट में राइट हैंड साइड 180 है, दोनों इक्वल टू 180 है, तो दोनों की लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सेम होगी. ओके, सो इट्स AOC प्लस AOD is equal to AOD plus BOD. Okay, angle AOC plus AOD here is equal to angle AOD plus BOD, and you can see that AOD is common in both sides. So therefore angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Hence first one is proven. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. And my friends, similarly we can prove this. Okay, so similarly we can prove that the second can also be proven like this. Okay, so it's angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. ऐसा ही करके ऐसे ही प्रोसेस करके हम ये दूसरा वाला पार्ट भी प्रूव कर सकते हैं. ओके, वेरी गुड. Now in exercise 6.1, question number 1, see in this figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at O. Lines AB and CD intersects at O. One more ray is there originated from the point O. If AOC plus BOE is equal to 70, look at it. AOC number 1 and BOE number 2. So sum of these two angles is 70. Sum of this angle, one number and two number, sum of these two angle is 70, and BOD is 40. Look at it, it's a BOD. This one is 40 degree. Okay, this one is 40 degree. Now we have to find BOE, that's BOE number 2, and reflex COE. Okay, we want to find reflex COE. See, angle COE is this one, so reflex COE means this one. Reflex angle is more than 180 degree and less than 360. So reflex COE is this. So reflex COE includes AOC, AOD, BOD, BOE, 4 angles. Or if you subtract measure of COE from 360, then you can find reflex COE. Now my friends, we will start with here that, see, look at it, AOC and BOD, these two are, look at it, these two are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so lines AB and CD intersect at O, and therefore angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Angle BOD. Okay, they are vertically opposite angle. Look at it. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. They are vertically opposite angle. So BAOC is also of 40 degree. Okay. Now my friends, look at it. AOC plus BOE is one, and AOC plus BOE both equal to 70. So AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. Okay, and we have the measurement of AOC. If this one is 40, then this one we found out to be 40. Now 1 plus 2 is equal to 70. So substitute the value of 1 by 40. AOC is equal to 40. So get angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40. That is angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Okay, my friends. Now we found out this one. We want COE. We want COE. Now this includes, so BOE found out to be 30. Okay. So this one is 40, this one is 40, this one is 30. If we are able to find this AOD, then sum of all the 1, 2, 3 and 4 will give you reflex COE. Okay. So how it is? Look at it. AOD and BOD. These two angles are linear angles. Okay. See, ray OD stands on line AB, and therefore angle AOD plus BOD, these two angles form a linear pair. Okay, so angle AOD plus this angle BOD is equal to 180 degree because they form linear pair. Okay, so AOD we have to find it out. AOD plus BOD, that is 40, is equal to 180. So AOD is equal to 180 minus 40, that is 140. Okay, now my friends, this is 140 degree. Now reflex COE consists AOC angle, AOD angle and BOD angle and BOE. So reflex angle COE is equal to angle AOC plus angle AOD plus angle BOD plus angle BOE. Okay, so that is 40 plus 140, that is 40 plus 140 plus 40 plus 30, and it equals to 140 and 40 180, 180 and 40 220 and 30 250. Okay, so reflex COE measures 250 degree. Okay, very good. Now in question number 2, in this figure 6.14, lines XY and line MN intersect at O, and if POY, see POY is 90 and ratio of this 2, A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, we have to find C. Now my friends, how will we find it out? Let us first of all discuss this question. See, this is of 90 degree, and look at it, XOP and POY, these two angles POY and POX forms a linear pair. So POY will also be of 90 degree, and it's a sum of two adjacent angles POM and XOM. So sum of these two angles is 90. Now they are in the ratio 2:3. So we will split 90 into the ratio 2:3. We will get the measurement of A and B. Okay. Now my friend, you can see that this one XOM and XON, these two forms a linear pair. So B plus C is equal to 180. If we know the value of B, we can find the value of C. Okay my friends. Now let us go for it. Okay, so here angle POY plus angle POX is equal to 180 because they are linear pair of angles or linear angles, rather linear angles. So 90 plus POX is equal to 180. So in short, POX will be 180 minus 90, that is 90. Okay. Now POX is sum of two angles, that is POM and XOM. Now POX is equal to POM plus XOM, angle XOM. Look at it, as per adjacent angles, sum of two adjacent angles is equal to the angle formed by their non-common arm. Angle formed by their non-common arm. So POX consists angle POM and XOM. So POX will be POM plus XOM. So POM is 90. 90 is equal to POM, that is A, plus XOM, that is B. Okay, so A plus B is equal to 90, and it is given that A is equal to B is equal to 2:3. Now my friend, ratio of the two, and if ratio of the two and sum of the same two are given, let us understand, let us distribute them, find the values of both. So A will be how it is? A will be A upon A plus B into 90. Okay, so A will be A plus B. So here A plus B will be part of A plus B is equal to 5. Okay, A plus B will be 5. We'll write here A plus B is equal to 5. So it's A, value of A. Okay, A upon, rather A divided by 5 into 90, that is 2, value of A divided by value of total of their value, total part of A divided by total part into sum of the two. Okay, rather, so it's a 18 to the 36, and B will be, how will we find B? Part of B, here it is part of B, that is 3 divided by both part, sum of the two parts into 90 means sum of them. Okay, so B is equal to 18, 3 is 54. Try to understand my friend, try to understand. So A is to B is equal to 2:3. So part of A is 2, part of B is 3, and total part is 5. So if you, and sum of them 2 is 90. Okay, now value of A will be part of A divided by total part into sum of A plus B. Okay, so this is how we can find 36. A is equal to, and value of B is equal to part of B divided by total part into sum of the two, that is B is equal to 52. Now my friends, B and C form a linear pair. Now B plus C is equal to 180, linear pair. Okay, so B is 54 plus C is equal to 180. So C is equal to 180 minus 54, that is C is equal to 126, is it? Okay my friends. Now in question number 3, in this figure 6.15, it is given that angle PQR is equal to PRQ. So PQR, this one, is equal to PRQ, this one. So two interior angles of the same triangle are equal. Then prove that angle POS that is equal to angle PRT. So we want to prove their corresponding exterior angles are also equal if corresponding pair of interior angle of a triangle are equal. PQR and PRQ, these two angles are equal. Look at it. Given is angle PQR is equal to PRQ, and we need to prove that angle POS is equal to PRT. This exterior angle, we need to prove this exterior angles equal. Okay, now proof. Okay, now my friends, we know that angle PQR and PRQ forms linear pair. So we can say that ray QP stands on line SR. Okay, we can see that ray QP stands on line SR, and therefore angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180, because they form a linear pair, rather linear angle. Okay, look at it. As per, they form a linear pair, angle PQS and angle PQR. Okay, similarly we can see that angle PRQ and PRT, angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180. They form linear pair because ray RP stands on line QT. Okay, now this is number 1, this is number 2. Now from 1 and 2, both are equal to 180, so their left hand side will also be equal. Okay, so angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Okay, so left hand side of both the equation, if two equations are equal to 180, then the left hand side will also be equal. उसकी left hand side भी दोनों की same होगी. तो हमने left hand side equation number 1 की is equal to left hand side of equation number 2. Now my friends, look at it. PQR and PRT are same. So in place of PQR and PRQ, so look at it. PQR and PRQ both are same. So PQS plus PQR. So in place of PRQ, I can write PQR. PQR plus PRT. Okay, from the given, so in place of PRQ, I can write PQR. Okay, so it's from given. Okay, now both this gets cut. PQR cut. So it's a PQS is equal to angle PRT. Okay, angle PQS. It's a PQS, angle PQS is equal to PRT. Okay, very good. Now is in question number 4. In this figure 6.16, if x plus y, look at it, x plus y, measure of these two angles is equal to w plus z, w plus z. So x plus y is a sum of the measures of two angles is equal to w plus z, another pair of two, sum of two, another pair of angles. Okay, and we need to prove that angle C, this AOB is a line. My friend, as per axiom number 6.2, if look at it, if sum of two adjacent angle is 180, if sum of two adjacent angle is 180, then their non-common arms form a line. If sum of two adjacent angle is 180, then their non-common arms form a line. So we need to prove that either x plus y is equal to 180 or w plus z is equal to 1. So that's why, look at it, w plus z, these are two adjacent angles. If w plus z is equal to 180, then their non-common arms OA and OB will form a line. Okay, my friends. Now we know that, see, x plus y plus z plus w, this four angle completes a circle. It's a complete angle. We will call them to be complete angle. किसी एक के पॉइंट चारों ओर बनने वाले सभी एंगल, सभी साइड एंगल का सम 360 होता है. So here x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360. It's a complete angle. Okay, now my friend, in place of x plus y, look at it, x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360. Okay, now in place of x plus y I can write w plus z, or in place of w plus z I can write x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 360. It is given that in place of w plus z you can write x plus y. So 2 times of x plus y is equal to 360. So moving 2 toward the right hand side, it's x plus y is equal to 360 upon 2. So x plus y is equal to 180. Okay, so as per axiom number 6.2, if sum of two adjacent angle is 180, then their non-common arms form a line. So here, and therefore, look at it, see, their non-common arms. So there, so that for AOB is a line. Okay, so as per theorem, as per axiom 6.2, if sum of two angles is 180, then their non-common arms form a line. Okay, very good. Now in question number 5, in this figure 6.17, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. So this one is perpendicular. So both sides there are 90-degree angles. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that. We need to prove that ROS, this angle, ROS is equal to half of QOS minus POS. That is QOS minus POS. Okay. So my friend, look at it. these are both of 90-degree angles. So we'll target getting value of QoS with reference to ROS and value of POS with reference to ROS, and then we will subtract from POS from QoS and we will get the answer. Okay, so here ray OR, rather OR is perpendicular to line POQ, rather PQ or POQ. So therefore angle POR and is equal to QOR both equal to 90 degree. So angle POR and angle QOR both equals to 90 degree. Now my friend, we are targeting to get the value of QoS, this QoS. Look at it. So angle angle QoS is equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS. Okay, so they are adjacent angles. Sum of two adjacent angles equals the angle formed by their non-common arms. Okay, so QoS is equal to QOR, that is, see, QOR is equal to 90, so 90 degree plus angle ROS, result number 1. Similarly, we also want to find out the value of POS. It's a POS. Now POR, angle POR equals POS plus ROS. Okay, so now POR, look at it, POR is of 90 degrees, so 90 equals POS plus angle ROS, and therefore if you move POS, if we want to find the value of POS, so move ROS, so 90 minus angle ROS is equal to angle POS. Our target is to find the value of angle QoS and POS with reference to ROS. So from result 1 we found the value of angle QoS with reference to ROS, and in the equation number result number 2 we found the value of angle POS with reference to angle ROS. Now we have to add, we have to subtract from 1 to 2. Now subtracting 2 from 1. Okay, so it's angle QoS minus angle POS. Okay, angle QoS minus angle POS is equal to value of QoS, that is 90 plus angle ROS minus value of POS, that is 90 minus ROS. Okay, value of POS, that is 90 plus ROS minus value of POS is 90 minus ROS. So it equals to angle QoS minus POS equals to 90 plus angle ROS minus 90 plus angle ROS. Okay, 90 plus angle ROS minus 90 minus plus ROS. So 90 cut. It's a QoS minus POS is equal to ROS plus ROS, that is 2 times of angle ROS. So moving 2 toward the left hand side, it will be 1 by 2 here. QoS minus POS is equal to angle ROS. Okay, so ROS is equal to 1 by 2 into QOS minus POS. Okay, very good. Now in question number 6 of exercise 6.1, it is given that angle XYZ is of 64 degree and XY is produced, ray XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information, and if ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, then find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. Okay, so first of all we will draw a figure XYZ approximately of 64 degree. X, here is Y, here is Z. So this is the angle of 60 degree. Okay, 64 degree rather. Now XY is produced to point P. XY. So if it is written that XY is produced, then you have to start from X towards Y. XY is here, it is ray XY and produced. So move forward. XY is produced to point P. Okay. And if ray YQ bisects ZYP, look at it, it's a ZYP angle. Now ray YQ bisect this angle. So bisect means what? ये पूरा ZYP angle के दो equal angles और भी बनते हैं. So what do we require to find? We have to find XYQ, that is XYQ. Okay, तो ये angle हमें find करना है और एंड रिफ्लेक्स QYP ये एंगल है उसका रिफ्लेक्स, यानी ये फाइंड करना है. ओके, ये फाइंड करना है हमें. ये हमें XYQ एंगल में का मेजरमेंट फाइंड करना है और रिफ्लेक्स QYP का रिफ्लेक्स फाइंड करना है. ओके माय फ्रेंड, इट इज इजी. नाउ लुक एट इट. दिस इज ऑफ द डिग्री 64. ये 64 डिग्री का है. तो ये एंगल इसके साथ लीनियर पेयर बनाता है. कौन सा? ZYP. ये लीनियर पेयर 64 के साथ. सो 180 माइनस 64 दैट इज 116. ओके, तो ये ZYP पूरा एंगल 116 का होगा और ये बाइसेक्टर है तो ZYP के आधा करो. Okay, ZYP means 116 divided by 2, that is 58. So both will be equally of 58. Okay, both will equally of 58. Okay, now this one is of 64 degree, this one is of 58 degree and this one is of 58 degree. अगर हमें XYQ फाइंड करना है तो एंगल XYQ कितना होगा? 64 प्लस 58. ओके, इतना होगा. और हमें रिफ्लेक्स QYP चाहिए. QYP, तो रिफ्लेक्स QYP वो 180 माइनस 360 माइनस QYP होगा. ओके, सो एंगल QYP विल बी इक्वल टू 360 माइनस एंगल QYP, दैट इज 360 माइनस 58. ओके, सो ये आपका आंसर होगा. सो नाउ यू कैन complete this question by yourself. Okay, very good.